This is test 1 of Wyatt Cam. So
Perfect size.
let's test this out. Check Wyatt's face.
I'm the
Raise him up a little bit more.
I'm the perfect size, man. Who the heck is 2'5"?
In the White House. Just trust me.
Wait, look, hold on, time. I found numbers. Phone numbers. I found two phone numbers. One of them might be Brooke. One of these phone numbers might be Brooke.
Dude, this is in my pocket. This is my dad. How come I not catch that? Genie.
I got 2 more years. Rooms up in the White House. Trust me.
Oh.
Oh my god. Sorry, that was an accident. That was seriously an accident. I was doing this. I'm sorry, that was seriously an accident. Let's get him. Oh, he thinks he's so big.
No, I'm not saying you're trying to hit me. Stop. That hurts.
I got 4 more years. Rooms up in the White House. Just trust me. How it feels like to be in a real first person.
It's only like Modern Warfare.
I got 4 rooms up in the White House.
Stop it.
Right, under. Don't mess up the Wyatt Cam.
What? Wait, just go through your average and ordinary life. Ordinary life. Ordinary life is cool. Hey, bug. Dude, we should put it around your neck. Wait. We should put it around your neck.
Dude, can you see what's happening?
Hold on. Hold it a little bit closer to it. You've been holding it to the side. Yeah, like that.
You can see yourself, can't you?
Yeah.
You can see yourself slowly sleeping.
Ow! Stop!
Break. Dude, let's get in that little cart and just like hang out.
Push the pedal.
Dude, it's like not just like a first person shooter. Dude, it's like.
Wait, keep footage of him. Go to the house. Come on. Go close the door. I got it. He's riding the bike to the house.
Can you see yourself?
Oh, we'll be out. Okay. Wyatt Cam was a success, apparently. We recorded about 4 minutes.
Dude, you should use this in a
20
future
20
video.
seconds now of footage. So I'll see you guys later. Subscribe.